Menteri Ketenaga Koi Kakia Barunong Yalam ke BJP Parliamentary Party uba Hek ula Kyntait Halor ke Kyrshan jong uye ke seng BJP Halor ke Jingdawa Hiar Shuki uba Lahkmen Rymbui Menteri ki kampo yang jong ke jela uba Hek ula ong ba omla ban chukno be yu Menteri ke Sarkar dan don ke AKA ke jingbam yai be ha ke jela.
In the same voice with the president of BJP for for the resignation of the Home Minister. I have not said this. But the thing is like this. Very clearly, I'm telling you first from my department. If anything happened in any district of health department which is going wrong against the patients or going wrong to the hospital, it cannot be squarely blamed the health minister. But it's a duty of health minister to find out put up the inquiry and find out this. They have to take out what is the issue that is happening at such and such hospital or the patients. It cannot be just because of anything happening anywhere squarely blamed to the people who are sitting as the ministers in the state.